Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from FarhatLectures.com. A company provides personal loan to its CEO under terms not available to other employees. What is the result? So can we do that? Can we do that as long as we disclose? And the answer is no. Even disclosure does not allow you to do that. How about if it's permitted by the board? If the board says we okay it, because the board represent the shareholders, the holder of the company. Sorry, we can't do that. Prohibited under SOC. Absolutely. This is one of prohibited items under SOC. And remember in the lecture I talked about Kozlowski. Where's Kozlowski here? No, this is the Adelphia guys. Kozlowski from Tyco, what they did is they borrowed money from the company, and that's not allowed. Remember, Dennis Kozlowski looted $600 million through unauthorized loans. So it's not allowed these days where you can basically lend yourself money. So it's prohibited under SOC. Permitted if immaterial, it doesn't matter. Once something is prohibited under SOC, materiality does not play a role. If you are completing this on Farhat Lectures, you could use our AI to explain the topic if you're not familiar with what's prohibited, what's not, explain correct and incorrect answer, and create a similar MCQ about what's prohibited under SOC. What should you do now? Go to Farhat Lectures. The best investment you can make is invest in yourself, study hard, don't shortchange yourself, use our resources, lectures, AI, simulations to help you prepare for the CPA exam, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.